Good morning, everyone. It is an absolutely beautiful summer day here in Southern California. Picked a little hibiscus from my garden this morning. I love having tropical flowers around. It just instantly brightens my mood and makes me feel like I'm on vacation somewhere. Michael's off from work today, so we are going to enjoy the day together, which will be really fun. So we're gonna head down to San Diego today. Nothing better than a summer day in San Diego. And we're gonna try to surf. Michael and I actually haven't really surfed together since the Maldives, which was back in December. So we are long overdue for just a nice chill beach hangout together. So I'm gonna get ready for that. First things first, gotta put on some sunscreen. In the summer, I like to have a little plate of sunscreen here to kind of motivate me to put on as much as possible. And I have a lot of different options actually. So if you guys did not know, California had a bit of a long winter this year. Pretty much from like December until maybe last week. It's been really gloomy and cold and windy and just not the best conditions. Kind of forgot what it feels like to enjoy home, to be honest with you. But now that summertime is finally here, it's all good again. I remember why I love California so much, and definitely makes me appreciate the good weather way more than before. So yeah, it was a rough winter. Packing up the beach bag, just gonna put a bunch of bikinis into this Aloha pouch. This is a little pink option, bringing a Jolin surf suit just in case the water is warm, and also another sporty Jolin bikini in case I decide to wear a spring suit. Haven't quite decided yet what I'm gonna wear in the water. I think it'll depend on what it looks like when we get there. So it's nice to have some options. Also packing a sweater just in case. But Michael was in charge of packing up the car this morning, so hopefully he got all the essentials in there, like the sunscreen, the beach towels, the surfboards, things like that. So we are off. Let's go to San Diego. So we are in San Diego right now, doing a little surf check. It is a beautiful, beautiful day. Not sure how the waves are. Let's go look. Let me just scope it out. Here's Michael back on the vlog. It's been a second.
What's up, vlog?
Ooh, okay, actually it looks so pretty and fun out there. Oh my gosh. Well, there's definitely some really fun longboarding waves coming through, so I'm stoked. Yay! Honestly, it looks perfect. Are we get ready?
Yeah.
Let's get ready. Yay, it's so pretty and nice. Love San Diego.
In a magazine, sun is up, blazing out down the boulevard. Look like a movie
So it's a kind of a tradition for Michael and I to come hang out at the meditation gardens after we surf this spot. It's really relaxing. We're keeping our voices down a bit because people meditate here, but this is the friendship garden. And
We're best friends.
yeah, we're best friends. It's really cool because you can see the waves from this garden. And there's koi fish and all sorts of really pretty flowers. It's a really relaxing zen spot. Yeah, we figured since we were here we might as well pay a visit, just like old times. Back when Michael and I used to live in San Diego. That's where we were.
Here goes someone now.
I don't know if you can see with the super wide angle, but it's such a pretty day. I like from up here you can see the reef too. Oh, there he goes. Ooh, yeah, nose ride. So we are having the absolute best day so far. We walked across the street after we went to the meditation garden to get smoothies and met a couple subscribers, which was awesome. And somehow we ended up with free smoothies. They were just like, hey, we made extra, do you want them? And we're like,
No, it was
say
all
no.
thanks to Osh and her friend who ordered these. And they made double.
Yeah, so
cheers.
cheers.
Cheers, Swame's Cafe.
Yeah, just good vibes here. I love San Diego so much. So we got our free smoothies, which are delicious, and we are going beach hopping to another one of our favorite spots. And windows are down, vibes are high, and we will see you guys at the other beach.
And reminisce about the good times. Let's take it back down Water Lane. Sitting in the bed of the truck in the pouring rain.
Okay, so Michael and I made it to another beach. This is one of our personal favorites in San Diego. It's a really great beach for surfing, but especially body surfing and snorkeling when it's really clear. It's also a really great spot to just hang out and chill because of all these really pretty tide pools, and you can definitely find your own little quiet corner. It also feels like Hawaii here, so I love this spot so much. Michael actually just went for a swim, and I will be doing that shortly. First, I want to share with you guys the sponsor of this video, which is Domino's. So today we are going to try out their brand new technology on their app called Domino's Pinpoint Delivery. So I'm on the Domino's app right now. When you order something, you can have one of the delivery people deliver it wherever you are, which is such a game changer. Just think of all the possibilities. For instance, say you're at the beach, you accidentally let the seagulls eat all of your sandwiches and now you have no more food, but you don't want to get back into your car because you waited 30 minutes to get that perfect spot. Well, in this case, you can order whatever you want from Domino's and someone will hand deliver it to you. Perfect for today because we surfed all morning, afternoon. Now we are pretty hungry. So we just added our order into the app. I'm getting the Honolulu Hawaiian pizza and Michael is getting the Cali chicken bacon ranch. And we of course got various dipping cups as well. And now all we need to do is drop our pizza pin to the point closest to us. Luckily we have an access to the street right next to where we are sitting, so it'll be really convenient to just go and meet the driver when he gets here. Oh, I'm so excited to test this out. Oh my gosh. Just placed an order and it's pretty cool because you can get tracking text messages sent to your phone to see where your pizza is. And so far, I've been told that our pizza has been put in the oven, and once it's ready, we'll get tracking notifications of our driver. But until then, I'm gonna go hop in the water because it is so hot and I need to freshen up. So I'm gonna hop in and hopefully when I come back, the pizza will be here.
When I look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason. to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel.
So the driver will be here any second. You can actually signal the driver with this domino symbol to know that you're the one that the order is for. So we're gonna try that. All right, our pizza is secured. It was such an easy process. The live tracking feature to see where the driver was really helpful. He found us absolutely no problem, and now we have pizza with the view. Here you go.
Thank you.
My Honolulu Hawaiian with jalapenos added on. So yummy. When we were driving on the freeway, we saw that the San Diego Fair is going on. So here we are, super spontaneous. Literally boards on the car, and we are in our beach stuff. Luckily we brought sweaters just in case, but we're gonna go check it out because why not? Spontaneous.
It could go for a
going
chocolate dipped pickle.
Ew.
Deep fried
Sounds
chocolate chip pickle.
disgusting. Oh my god. Anyway, so we're gonna go hit the San Diego County Fair really quick. I'm literally in my beach clothes, but
Literally.
all good. Gonna be fun. Love a spontaneous summer date in San Diego. You guys, we ended up staying out way later than we anticipated.
What a day.
What a freaking day. We had such a fun time at the fair. There was a Stevie Nicks cover band, which was
So good.
fire. And the crazy thing is, we didn't even know that was gonna happen. We kind of just walked into this really quiet, chill garden stage area, and then they just started playing. So we were right on time. It was
We
meant
walked
to
in
be.
at 7:59. They went on at 8:01.
It was meant to be for sure. So we danced, ate some really unhealthy fair food, walked around, saw all the things, and now we are going to jam home. But it was such a fun day. Thank you so much for spending it with us. Love San Diego. Cannot wait to move down here one day.
Should I?
Should
Move
we
here?
move here? Anyway,
You can see it off in the distance now.
we're out of here. Here you can see all the fair lights. Summertime is the absolute best time, and that is a fact. And with that, I will say goodnight and see you guys in the next video. Bye!